Hello, everyone.
Yeah.
Hello. It's a pleasure to meet you. Today, I would like to talk with you about traditional Korean alcohol, well known as 전통주. Now, let's begin our journey into the world of Korean traditional alcohol. First, let's look at this history. In Korean, all alcoholic drinks we called 술. Have you ever heard this term? 술?
Yeah.
Yes, good. There are many ideas about where this word comes from, but the most accepted idea is that it came from the old word 수불, which means water and fire. Our ancestors saw the bubbling mash in the fermentation vessels, which is 항아리, as you can see in this the first picture, and they thought it looked like both water and fire inside. So over time, the word became 술. So from 수보, 술, 술, 술. Does it make sense? Yes. Now, let me explain a key ingredient in Korean alcohol. If you want to make any kind of Korean traditional alcohol except for wine, you need 3 essential ingredients: grain, water, and 누룩. First of all, you need any types of grain, but rice is the most common choice in Korea. It can be either sticky rice or regular rice. It doesn't matter. The only real issue is the cost. Water is, of course, essential because alcohol is a liquid. Well, technically, you can make alcohol without water, like Chinese baijiu does, but water helps the fermentation process happen smoothly. Understanding water is brewing is like becoming a chemist. But don't worry, we're just learning about Korean alcohol today, so we'll skip over grains and water for now. Instead, I want to focus on the one ingredient I truly want to introduce to you. That's 누룩. 누룩 is a fermentation starter. It is made by growing mold naturally on roughly grounded wheat or barley. This is a big difference between Eastern and Western brewing method. Korean alcohol uses a method called multiple parallel fermentation. This helps us make drinks with higher alcohol and rich flavors. This is because even when enzyme keep making sugar, the yeast consumes it right away to make alcohol. So the yeast does not get stressed by high sugar levels, and alcohol continue to form in a stable and steady way. 누룩 is made in the hot and humid summer. In this weather, many microbes look for food and gather into the 누룩 blocks. The mold creates many enzymes to break down the grains into sugar to get energy and survive. Now, let me introduce some main types of Korean traditional alcohol. The first one is 탁주, commonly known as 막걸리. Makgeolli is not just one kind of alcohol. It is the foundation of all Korean traditional drinks except for wine. Today's makgeolli is not made from leftovers. It is made from the start with care. It is made from the start with care, and it's a complete drink. Makgeolli is still the most popular traditional alcohol in Korea. So in 2021, makgeolli brewing was listed as a national intangible cultural heritage. So that's all that I prepared today. Can you show me your faces now? Because I can only see 2 or 3. Okay, thank you. Hello. So any questions for today's topic? Today, I talking about Korean traditional liqueurs, and I hope this time to help you to join Korean traditional alcohol, and I would say to challenge Korean alcohol when you have any chance in Korea or in overseas, wherever. Okay. So, really? Nobody?
Oh,
Oh, yes?
yeah.
I have a question. Which one do you recommend for us?
Pardon?
Which Korean alcohol do you recommend?
My recommend? I would say maybe makgeolli first, because it's more drinkable than the others, and it's really cheap, and you can get good nutrient from that. And maybe, can I ask you where do you live now?
I live in Daejeon.
Daejeon.
In Korea.
Daejeon is really famous for one makgeolli. Have you ever tried before?
No, I haven't.
If you have any chance, I want to say you should try Daejeon one makgeolli. Thank you.
Thank you.
So anybody? No? Okay. I hope this seminar is helpful to you to more have love for Korean alcohol, and hopefully you enjoy Korean traditional alcohol, 막걸리, 약주, soju, whatever you like. Okay, thank you. And if you have any questions later, here you can see my email address. So please email me whenever you like. Okay. Thank you for coming, and thank you for attending this seminar. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very much.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.